and I make junk journals. And today I'm gonna use my first journaling prompt to write in my junk journal. So sorry for the crude video. I wasn't able to make it in the studio this week, but it's kind of fun to be back in my little space at home with you guys. I mean, I'm here all the time, but you guys aren't anymore. Anyway, so let's sit down and see what we got. So here I have my beautiful finished journal. I'm so happy that I have this. Just love the way it turned out and all the colors. And anyway, I'm really excited to use it. And I have made these journaling prompts and I just typed out a bunch of things that I thought would be kind of fun. Some of them are kind of random. Some of them are a little bit thought-provoking. And anyway, I just typed them all up, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can download them as well if you wanted to. And then I just put them all on little pieces of scrapbook paper. And so I'm going to just kind of pick one and then use it to journal with. So let's try it out. Now, it seems kind of fun to just randomly pick one, but I don't want to randomly pick one. I don't want to be forced to do something I'm not in the mood for. So I'm going to go through and see if something speaks to me, inspires me, would be fun to write about. Something not too personal since I'm journaling in front of you guys. So let's just see what we've got. Ooh, let's do this one. Words that describe me. That could be fun. So let's just flip through and find a page or a card or something. All right, let's do this page. And here's one that I have not made a tutorial for, but I'll just kind of explain it. I have like a big paper bag thing. It looks like sort of like some little food goodie bag. And I put a tag and a piece of stationery back here. And then I have, the whole thing is a belly band. So I attached this just on the top and the bottom of the bag so that I could slip this piece of stationery behind it. And then I have a tag right here and a little flip up right there, and then this little notebook right here. So words that describe me, there's probably not like a ton of writing space needed. So I could do it like on the tag and then just write all over the tag. But I think I'm going to open that up and stick that right there. So I'm gonna get my Beacon Fabri-Tac glue, put that on there, glue, 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 and put it just right in that corner so I can still see my little stenciled image that I put there. Okay, words that describe me. So I have these pens. I just got them at Target. Do they have a brand? Oh crap. The brand looks like it's not easy to pronounce. Is that like German or something? Staedtler. Anyway, they're just fine tipped little marker pens, and I have them lots of different colors. And then I'm also gonna grab my little box of just like words, because who knows, maybe some of the words that I want will be in here, and then I can make my page a little bit cuter. So let's see what we got here. Beautiful. Oh, well, that's so true. It just simply won't fit on that space. A lot of these are not very descriptive to a human, but are more like quotes or suggestions. Fashion? No, that does not describe me. Chic? Nope. Dangerous? There we go. Happy. I'm pretty happy. That's one that's actually real and not sarcastic. Ooh, sarcastic. I should probably put that down as one of my words. Blessed. I actually like that. So I got blessed and happy, and I think I'm gonna do laugh too. I know that's not a very descriptive word and it doesn't really describe me, but I like to laugh and humor is very important to me, so we're just gonna go with that. Ooh, and great, because not only am I great, but kind of went by Kate the Great in high school, so. And I like that it's pink and it will look really cool. So I'm just gonna kind of cut out this. See, now you know why I don't fussy cut. Look at this terrible cutting job. So I'm gonna put great probably somewhere here, just where I feel like there needs to be a little bit more color. Then we'll find a place for happy. Then we're gonna put down blessed here at the bottom. It's hard to tell where it should go because I haven't written the other words. I'll just stick it there. Okay, so got some words. This is going well so far. And then the colors, I think I want like light pink and light blue, maybe yellow and light green. I don't want any like too saturated or bright or bold colors since my coloring on this is pretty light, bright, and happy. Now I get to think of words. Oh my gosh. You guys, do I have to spell? I'm the worst speller ever. Okay, I can do this. How do you spell sarcastic? Oh, I should probably do the A the same. Stick. Ugh, now you guys are gonna learn how bad my handwriting is. How embarrassing. I'm gonna go over that again just to kind of make it a little more bold. Man, this one was a harder one than I thought. I'm just gonna be real. I'm like super intense. That is definitely a word that describes me. Okay, I'm not gonna spend too much time thinking about the words in front of you. I'm just gonna kind of write stuff and not overanalyze this. So here we go. Okay, so I have a little bit more space and I couldn't think of anything else, so I asked my husband, and so he said vivacious, warm, bubbly, and witty. I don't think I can put all those words, but I like all those words. Let's see if we can squish on there. We did it! So I'm gonna take the yellow and I think just draw some hearts and stars just to kind of even out some of those weirdly spaced things. Maybe some blue needs to be right here. I'll draw another heart. Apparently I like hearts. Or maybe it's just one of the only little symbols I know how to actually draw. Okay, there we go. So I have terrible handwriting and I don't really like to write a whole lot or journal long things. I like to journal short things, and anyway, and I think this is super cute, and then it's super fun, and you have words that describe me, and it's very colorful and bright and happy, and it's kind of fun to sit down and think of words that describe you. And it is kind of interesting seeing my ugly handwriting in a beautiful junk journal page, and it'll be very interesting to see when all of this is filled in how it looks and if it kind of affects the way I create junk journals in the future. And I'm not going to make the top layers as bright and fun as this one. This one I made kind of loud and crazy just because it's hidden, and I want it to still look nice and kind of clean and beautiful when I open the page, and then we can have kind of surprises of something a little bit more obnoxious. Ooh, obnoxious, that would be a good word for this too. Oh well, there's no room. Thanks for hanging out and journaling with me, and I'll see you next week.